Reading English shouldn't be this hard. Ever feel like English is playing tricks on you? One moment wind sounds like wind, then suddenly it's wind. English loves breaking its own rules. Silent letters sneak in everywhere. The B in comb, the K in night. Alphabet ninjas. And then there's OUGH, the ultimate shapeshifter. One spelling, four totally different sounds. Though, tough, thought, through. For many learners, reading feels like climbing stairs that won't stay still. It's confusing and frustrating. But what if you suddenly developed the ability to see exactly what sound each tricky letter makes? Introducing Read Nardagani, an easy way to see the sounds of letters with multiple personalities. And it's all done using just 12 simple symbols and letters under letters. No guessing, just clarity and confidence. And when learners gain confidence, they quickly transition from reading symbol-supported text to reading regular print. Make reading easy. Download Read Nardagani and let the magic of reading begin.